Yo, how are you doing my people? Ino nĩ show ya Kikuyu Gossip Club na niĩ njĩtagwo Holy J kũrĩ mwena wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Tũka gũkũ o mũthenya nĩgetha tũkorwo tũkĩrĩrĩria maũndũ marĩa mothe makorwo magĩthiĩ na mbere. Tũkorwo tũkĩjua vile kumekuwa kukihappen, what has been going on during the day. How was your day my people? It's the second Tuesday of the month of October. Na ndĩramwĩrire rĩu harĩa tũkinyĩte mwaka-inĩ nĩ harĩa rĩu hagũthiĩ rĩu. Tumebakisha only 2 months to the year nĩgetha mwaka ũkorwo ũgĩthira. So what are the plans? What plans do you have as at now? Have you accomplished the plans that you had in January? Mambo ni mengi watu wangu. But anyway, I hope mukoretwo mwĩfiti during the day. Ona idakorwo ndĩfiti kwĩna maũndũ maingĩ mũno marĩa makorwo magĩthiĩ na mbere mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. But before we get to all those things, I just feel like niwaambie just be safe wherever you are. Mko tu safe wherever you are. I don't know what you're doing right now. I don't know what you will be doing tomorrow, but just make sure that you are safe. Na amanze umuthi ni muthenya wa KDF. Umuthi uma muthenya wa KDF. It was KDF day. Nejo na ndukumenyaga Chris. You didn't know that. Umuthi uma muthenya wa KDF. And you know, hena maudu, hena national events iria mundu akenagirira muno kuona. Leaving alone the Kasongo factor and all those things. Dio kaniro wana event iria cia thirikari iria mtu anatakanga tu kuona manzi. Mapolisi wakimarch pale hivyo, mtukufu rais pale hivyo vile atakuwa, you know, those things. Na ndona ya muthenya wa umuthi yuma kuria Moi Barracks in Eldoret. It was quite a colorful event. Dina a short video ya uria kuma kwa muthenya wa umuthi, just the small reel iria epostirwo nĩ mtukufu rais. Tondu nĩ akiuma kuria in celebration of KDF na uria amakoretwo makiguard the territories of the country. I found it fit to play this video here.
This occasion is a moment of deep national pride, a day when we pause as a nation to honor our gallant men and women in uniform, officers whose enduring courage and steadfast devotion to duty have safeguarded our sovereignty, upheld our security, and advanced our stability and prosperity. To the men and women of the Kenya Defence Forces, your patriotism, discipline, and professionalism inspired this great republic. You remind us that Kenya's destiny will not be achieved by half measures, but by total dedication to duty and to one another. We must believe in God, we must believe in ourselves, and we must believe in our country.
Event yuma gori muno na nĩko attendetwo nĩ mabigi all the retired, current, andũ acio othe a mbiraru. Na it's only fair we inaitwa aje tuvere pongezi ni ũndũ wa wĩra ũrĩa bakoretwo makĩruta, because guarding the territories of the country of Kenya, it is not an easy task. Na rĩu hena mbica ĩngĩ ĩkorirwo ĩgĩtrend mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ na ni comparison between William Ruto in that army regalia and Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta in that army regalia. Agikorwo ni umekuwa ukifuatilia, you know, it's the first time William Ruto ukorwa agikira nguo eno na imekuwa very iconic na imekuja at a time when watu wako na ish na William Ruto haria. Na do what you guys think about this? Mimi naona amanze, I have no comment on this. Watu wanakaa tu fiti, watu wanakaa marais. Naona kuna very many names iria akorwa agitwo haria. Kuna the official one, commander in chief. Hena marĩtwa mangĩ ndona kũrĩa nenda-inĩ no ndigũgĩtinda ngĩkĩaria mũno ndigũgĩtinda ngĩaria mũno no akĩmenya na maũndũ nĩ maingĩ. But anyway guys, it has been that way during the day. Umuthi ni kuma na poll irekereirio na poll imeweza kushake the Mount Kenya industry. Ira hena kaundu kara happenire kuria Kirinyaga, na sijui the politics of Mount Kenya how it usually happens, but kaundu kau ni karari na thoni nyingi muno kuria Kirinyaga, na ika raise the question of who is the kingpin of Mount Kenya. a question that has not had an answer for quite some time. Na Bibi Top akora umuthi akirekereria poll agikira poll haria na hii poll imekuwa very controversial tondu urona haria hena Ndindi Nyoro, hena Rigathi Gachagua, hena Uhuru Kenyatta, and fire see fire Kithure Kindiki. Na haria after some hours, that poll, Rigathi Gachagua was leading with 68% of the votes, a total of 100,000 plus votes. Nishoshi kastiro haria na hika kwa manzi inaonyesha the direction of the mountain right now. What is really going on in the mountain is that Rigathi Gachagua niwe thaishi kingpin korigana poll leo. And you know, right now in politics, kila kitu kila happen, it is shaping the politics right now to stage in area ya kupanga shughuli, man. Tuko ile stage ya kupanga shughuli. Tutio maybe by 2026 December oyo agakoro mweno oyo tutire turamenya. And so it is too early to say, but according to that poll, ironania ati Rigathi Gachagua is taking a whooping 68%. Guys, need you more manyu megi uhoro uyu. In other news, hena muini urakuire juzi na ni Shalkido. We are doing this heading up to the politics stories, guys. Hena muini wirigeta gukua na ni Shalkido. Na Shalkido or akuire accident ine ilikuwa very greasy accident area. I think manze ilimwacha tu, manze amededi tu. He was first pronounced brain dead agishoka riu akiannounce riu ni arekia gututika na yukoretwo na burial plans na rucio niguo gukorwo na candle lighting na requiem mass haria All Saints Cathedral in Nairobi. Na Eric Omondi niwe ukurekegeria ndomereri ino na anasema manzi watu wajitokeze because of Shalkido and all those things. We hope may the soul of Shalkido rest in eternal peace. Thaishi Twitter show ya Kikuyu Gossip Club. There's nothing else you can say. There's nothing else you can do other than saying may his soul rest in eternal peace. Agikoro rucio niwe akoro in town in the evening hours. Na ukinya haria requiem mass etagwo requiem mass afu candle lighting egokoro KNT. Then the burial will be on Thursday in Ruiru, Kimbo, Matangi. Guys, story ya mwisho nigetha tuigire riu hari the politics stories of the day. Ni ati oneno no politics, but I found this so hilarious and so unimaginable. Hena maundu tuiguaga maybe news ini tukona alienda kufungua tap. Aini alipanda ndege akienda kufungua, you know. And today I found a real video of that. Guys, I know you can't believe this. One of video neurona a lot of things are happening there. This is Amason Kingi, the Speaker of the Senate, current Speaker of the Senate. Ahaishete ndege agathie nginya kuria Kilifi. Amason Kingi is the Speaker of the Senate, right? Ahaishete ndege chopper ya gibiririki kuma Nairobi nginya Kilifi kuhingura borehole, launch borehole. And funny enough ni ate ginya nihekiritwo karia unaona kale ka sign kakuonyesha officially opened ya higura mai. And you sit down and see the mediocrity, the level of gokuo wana akora happen the ishfurini wa Kenya. It is getting to points iria riu andu matire hitha. Facebook live streaming stopped because of something. I don't know what has happened, but we still go on regardless. Now, ukiangalia story manzo unaona the things iria wana siasa makoro mageka heading up to the elections. Niona ginya mwana siasa ginya ne athiaga mpaka anafulia wa mathi nguo, anawachotea maji. Ta gavana wa kuria Nyandarua thaa ici ndĩrona ginya arekuga na ngari kuria akĩinaga nyĩmbo cia toxic lirikari haria. Politicians try as much as they can to associate themselves with the people, but after wameshatoka mitugono hiyo eno riu uramonera ku. Mitugo rĩu nĩyo ĩno, anapanda ndege, anaenda ana round mfereji ya maji. Hena which politician was it? Ahaicire ndege agĩthiĩ kũhingũra maĩ na aikutokanga. It was Susan Kihika of Nakuru County, and that was super shameful bana. Na niĩ ingĩũrio korwo andũ no mamenye tu manze tũtaũkĩrwo nĩ ũhoro wa kũmenya atĩ wanasiasa aya nĩ ithuĩ tũmandĩkĩte wĩra. Rĩrĩa tukamenya ũguo tutaacha kuwashangilia manze, tutaacha kuwashangilia tukiona Ruto amekuta hivi maji katikati ya speech. Tutaacha kuwashangilia tukiona ametoa kamasi ati ni Amira ati rĩu another thing ibatiĩ gũtigwo nĩ ũhoro ũrĩa wa gũthura mũndũ ati tondu maybe alikuwa anafanya kitu ilikuwa ina resonate na watu at that area. Tarau ta MCA, tarau ta wa biashara ward Nakuru ugakora ari mundu wa boda ati wa nduthi anaitwa kama turathura wa nduthi, ati tarau ta wa mkokoteni wa mkoko, ati wa gutuma iratu wa iratu, you get ndurathura mundu because of what they can do, uramuthura because of the popularity he or she has gained in doing what he does. You get? Now, the moment we align some things, that is niguo tukurealize ne tukoretwo tugika maundu mangita uncivilized human beings. But anyway, now muthenya wa muthenya gwakorwo na developments nyingi muno in politics. Undu wa mbere ira ni kurari na ngori imwe nene muno kuria Kirinyaga. Apparently the governor of Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru ni aratumite atumia makorwo makirurungana kuria, something that was very unfortunate. Na marakorwo kuria makigaragara faraini. Hena in fact gabisha gakoretwo gagitrend, very shameful. Mutumia ataganitie hau maguru oru muno ramine. Na after that umuthi Rigathi Gachagua ni athire kuria Kirinyaga. Apparently the whole story yari ati Rigathi Gachagua dismissed Anne Waiguru and Cecily Mbarire, the governors of Kirinyaga and Embu respectively. Arama dismissire na kuga ati ena efforts cia kunyitithania kirima. Hena andu marang'ang'ana gukorwo me mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ nigetha magayanie kirima. And you know that didn't sit well with Anne Waiguru. Na Waswahili walisema aje kuhusu mwenye mafi ujishuku. I think aliona manze this is getting serious and this expose is going to explode a lot of things in my political career. Aratuma atumia haria makorwo makirurungana, passing a statement that ni atumia maratargetwo. And Rigathi Gachagua was so disrespectful to women. And you know what? Rigathi Gachagua has overturned everything. Muthenya wa umuthi athire kuria Kirinyaga na what he did there will remain in the history books of Kirinyaga politics, because I overturned a whole narrative within minutes. Guys, let's have a look at this. Tuone uria gukuhanaga.
Wewe gavana, kama unapanga maandamano, siku Ruto aliua watoto ya Gen Z, mbona hukupanga maandamano? Mimi nakuuliza wewe Mombi, tangu Kasongo alete mchele kutoka Pakistan ndio watu ambao waumie, ulikosa wakina mama hata 300 wakuje kwa barabara wapige kelele Kasongo aone aibu. Mimi nakuuliza wewe Mombi, tangu Kasongo akule pesa ya Kemri, mbona hujapanga akina mama wapige kelele? Lakini ukisemekana wewe ni msaliti, wewe ni mtu ya Kasongo, ati unataka kutuonesha kiburi. Mimi nakwambia mumekasirika kwa sababu nimeanika nyinyi. Wewe umepanga chama Wilbaro hapa Kirinyaga ya kuja kuconfuse watu wetu. Nyinyi mnaweza kuwa confused? Chama yetu ni nani? Chama yetu ni gani? Nikisema DCP unasema sikiza ground. DCP. DCP. Hiyo chama ndio ngao ya Mlima Kenya. Leo Goito na Mwegito witu. Na mimi mtu asinisukume ati niuze chama yako. Wewe kuja uza chama yako. Si ndio? Teno ya mara tuone temunene. Ni akunyaneria.
Rigathi Gachagua akoragwo na a certain way ya kwendeka ni crowd. Utakuta manze where people expect that hii ni ngori imechacha hapa hivi, Rigathi Gachagua will find a way ya kusotio ngori. Aikono rikane na hĩndĩ ĩrĩa agĩũka kuma US akajua manze hapa hivi ni ngori bin ngori, yabidire atige ametho hau na athie, na hapo hivyo alikuwa amecontrol yo ngori design nyingine mbaya sana. And this time again you are seeing Rigathi Gachagua ngori ni imwe nene muno ya of course the Kirinyaga and Embu women leaders, na tuona haria amepull stunt moja ya kujitoa in a very big way. Now hena it is very shameful Chris Gukorote, you know, we love our women, our mothers, our sisters, our wives, we love them all, and it is very wrong kuhuthira their vulnerability for political gains. Ira tugikasho nturaragia horo wa mundu akigira MJ ikoragwo level ground. We wona ni ukuhotana na MJ no uthie, no asa kukeza kuwa dem ameona nie no thie MJ ndagigira MJ aje kugate mimi ni dem, mimi sifai kubebeshwa mawe ya 9x9 na mahiga macio nimo andu aya angi marakua. You get, haiwezi make sense. Na eo neo kadi ire Anne Waiguru arageragia gupull allegedly agikorwo niwe urabangite andu acio mena Asisi Mbari and all that group. Na in fact hena video dona ya mutumia umwe akiuga arekwo arie tondu ni murihe akorwo agicambia Gachagua. Ukiangalia hivi unaona manze women ni makoragwo na privileges nyingi muno, they are favored a lot, but aria marahota kuingira siasa ni undu wa rume wao no camba wao na akuhigirira siasa of course na connection ciao, and we don't know what maingira kuu na makorwo ni ngorire wanapulile kadenye that vulnerable woman mwenye hata yako ochako very poor anaweza ipull, so your card ina lose ile. You get my point, which is very 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 unfortunate. Very unfortunate. And you ona igiuga ate wegi horoshio, but I'm so happy that Rigathi Gachagua aliweza control hiyo shughuli. And you maoni manyu megi horoyo. You know, politics in Mount Kenya is moving very fast. It is moving very fast. Dona ona Gachagua mothe akiuga ate the reason why Anne Waiguru arekaga uguo ni ate arenda guthondeka hurubaro yake. Hurubaro yake Rigathi akiuga uguo aramaanisha ati Anne Waiguru arenda guthondeka kiama giake kiria riu gigutamwo as a Mount Kenya party, but it is a wheelbarrow, it is a yellow party. And so this is just a way ya gukoro makedivide kirima. You know, a lot of things are going to happen in politics, quite a lot of things. Daigua kinya Anne Waiguru the reason why bado arakwamirirwo uguo siasa, she wants to vie for the senator's seat of Kirinyaga after 10 years as the governor. And one funny thing ni ati the work of a senator is to oversight the governor. Na wonaga ona ma senators aige nio marehaga mamotion ni easy manini za bring accountability kwa ma governors nini. You get, so ata previous accountability questions ni senator nafaa ku raise. Na kogo tuge agethurwo eta senator, zile ngori zote amekuwa nazo na ameweza kuzicontrol silently as the governor of Kirinyaga, ataendelea kuzicontrol, hatutawaizi jua. You get, the same thing that is happening with akina oyo governor watu ikire senator Mandago. Thaishi governor ocio scandal ya bia cia maju maturaga cira ule dem. I wish the people of Kirinyaga don't make that mistake. Alienda maju or something, aliacha activism. Mambo ni mengi. Anyway guys, eno nisho ya Kikuyu Gossip Club na njitagwo Olije kwa mwana wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Sijui Facebook yetu imefanya nini leo. Naona ni kama it's not working, but it is showing that it is live, but it is not there. Anyway guys, Next story. SHA nĩ ĩkoretwo na scandals nyingĩ Chris. Angĩkorwo hena organization kana something of the government ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo na scandals and ending scandals nĩ SHA. Na ũmũthĩ CS wa health ũgwĩtwo Aden Duale nĩ agũthĩte kũrĩa kamĩtĩ-inĩ ya health ya bunge, of course grilling, accountability questions, maũndũ ta macio. And in the middle of that, one of the members a kamĩtĩ ĩyo ũretwo Anthony Kibagendi nĩ mũbunge, anakuanga kwa ile group ya kina Babu Owino, Gathoni wa Muchomba, Caleb Amisi, akoragwo gĩkundi-inĩ kĩu kĩa andũ arĩa matirĩ opposition biũ na matirĩ thirikari biũ. Tutiramenya wega tondũ Sifuna nĩ agĩthiaga gũkũ, nĩ agĩthiaga, you know, wa Muchomba nĩ athiaga gũkũ, nĩ athiaga gũkũ. And so Caleb Amisi, not Caleb Amisi, Anthony Kibagendi recently akoretwo very outgoing and very doing unexpected things. No more than tuonire agĩikanĩria mĩario ile serious na CS Aden Duale na nginya agũthithia metha kuonyesha disappointment na kuonyesha manze yo nĩ ũratukua wana meni. I think the best thing that we should do ni gwĩkĩra video ĩno tũmĩone.
12 for the money you are using to steal from here.
Honorable Kibagendi, we are going to this.
He's the one who should behave himself.
He's the one who should behave himself. We'll ask you, you made your point. Leave it there, let the chairman proceed.
You proceed. Don't allow him to chair this meeting.
I am chairing this meeting, Honorable Kibagendi.
You are intimidated by this man.
I'm not intimidated. So let this exchange not between me and you. We can actually ask you to leave.
I can actually leave.
It's okay.
I can actually leave.
It's okay.
You can't live by borrowed value on the card.
You should not be this. You should not be this committee. I will write to the speaker.
You write to the.
We will write to the speaker.
Produce evidence that are on our proceedings. You are the one who should not be in this ministry. Your company is stealing from SHA. You are.
We will write to the speaker. You should not be in the committee. Because of conflict of interest. Honorable Kibagendi out. You cannot be in this committee. Escort the Honorable Kibagendi out.
Yes. And you are living the borrowed values.
Order, Chair.
Now, Honorable
You have no quorum.
let us proceed.
Honorable Chair, you know, the shouting match has been perpetrated by Honorable Kibagendi and the CS. It is utterly unfair for you to send Honorable Kibagendi out and have the CS stay here. Because there were the two of them. It was a shouting match between two people. It is unfair for you to send one member and leave the other party on shouting. You cannot do that, Honorable Chair. It is unfair.
Let's take the next step on that one.
Here, no one.
Let's take the next step.
Nonsense you're bringing to this country.
Honorable
Unaibia watu hapa.
Kibagendi, that's fine.
You should not be this. Wewe unaibia
Waziri, proceed and read your answers, and now do not interact directly with any other member.
Who are you? You think you can even...
Chairman, we will write to the speaker. This gentleman should not be in this committee because of conflict of interest.
Point of order.
Let me take this. Waziri, it is not in your place on how this meeting is conducted.
Thank you, Chair.
Now, go and read what we have allowed you to read. Do not make any comments or any direction of any nature.
Thank you, Chair. We will tell the
Proceed.
what is right.
Proceed.
But Chair, I agree with you.
Proceed.
Where your committee member...
MP Kibagendi anakuanga one of those MPs aria thaa ici mareyumiria na vurugu. Not so long ago he hĩndĩ twekire show haha, na kwa hiyo show Anthony Kibagendi aragia mathiko-inĩ kũrĩa was it Nyamira, na akiaria mathiko-inĩ macio akakuwa na vurugu na the person mwenye alimpea mic. Apparently it was also an MP, jari kane mbunge wako, but that MP mwenye alimpea mic alikuwa 2 term na Anthony Kibagendi ni wa 1 term of course. Na hari Anthony Kibagendi akiaria wakavurugana to a point walipigana vita ya mwili on the pulpit less than 2 months ago. na thaa ici nĩ tũrona avurugu ĩrĩa yakorwo haha in the committee chambers of parliament. And now after all that ntonire Aden Duale alijitokeza pale hivyo na akakuwa akijidefend. Guys, let's listen.
But the good thing is, I have called them out. Those who I know have a conflict of interest in as far as sitting in this committee is concerned. And I should not be, I'm not scared. Even I know the rules and the procedure of an impeachment. I want to be impeached because I participated in 8 impeachments. Some survived, some do not survive. But as public servants, you are under obligation, and Parliament is under obligation, that you must protect us, you cannot humiliate us, you cannot be blackmailed, we cannot be treated when we come to our own compound. If any member comes to MOH, and some members sitting here can agree, if they come to MOH, I have given instructions to my secretary that a member of Parliament doesn't need to have an appointment to see me. I expect when I come to Parliament to be treated fairly. But if you want to represent the hospitals I have closed, if you want to represent the people the DPP is going to judge, if you want to represent the ones who don't want their NHIF pending bill to be verified, if you want to represent people who have a different political orientation, who want to curtail the universal health coverage, a very key pillar and agenda of President Ruto and ourselves and the whole country, then you better look for another minister, not Aden Duale. I'm a very honest man. I respect members of Parliament, but those who come with clean hands must be received with clean hands. I told you yesterday, a number of times, even last night I called you. I told you this meeting is not about the questions that you have sent me. But my final word is, I will continue to serve the people.
I think Aden Duale akoretwo among the most controversial CSs in William Ruto's government. Na amekuwa CS of Interior, not Interior, Defense. Ni akoretwo CS wa ya kupanda miti. Na thaa ici ni CS wa Health, one of the most controversial ministries also. Even in Uhuru Kenyatta's government, Ministry of Health yari controversial muno. Ni undu wa scandal ile ya KEMSA, ni undu wa scandal ya COVID-19, thaa ici kuna scandal ya SHA. Agikorwo hena ministries thirikari-ini umenyaga imanze nikiekwa hapa hivi, nimekwa hapa hivi with another purpose bana. You get? Na I think thaa ici hare yari, it is a very bad place. That was not good optics. Video tokoro tukiona thaa ici, it was not good for the politics of UDA. It was not good for sio nzuri kwa muonekano wa chama cha UDA na serikali ya mtukufu Rais William Samoei Ruto, because warora ni unaona clearly kiria Kibagendi arauga ena point, but uria Aden Duale arashokia, it is dismissive to a point area ironekana it is so dismissive tondu ni aramenya yo ni day haha mani na kiria urauga ni ndigiocokeria uguo urenda. You get? To a point that Kibagendi Ginyaroria, the chair of the Health Committee of Parliament, why are you biased? Neke mani you are co-chairing this meeting. Aden Duale is the one who should be grilled, but is the one who is chairing the meeting. Kogwa niro na harea hiyo picha haikuwa nzuri kwa muonekano wa chama cha UDA na serikali ya mtukufu Rais William Samoei Ruto. Na I don't know what they need to do. Mimi sijui wanafaa wafanye nini. It's up to them now, because as at now Maneno ni ngumu. Now guys, on to the last story of the day ni ati muthenya wa muthi hena kaundu gakorwo gakihappen na mina bambika sana na this youthful generation of right now. Atondo hena kaundu gakorwo gakihappen and it is so related to the political formations that have been happening in recent days. In recent days netuonete muungamano kama ama handshake ama tutahitaji vingine but the unity of William Samoei Ruto and Gideon Moi, and this was so abrupt and this was so fast to a point that hena andu matari marahota ku absorb the shock na bado hena andu matari marahota gutaukirwo ni uhoro ucio, how it happened and where it's heading to. You get not only arumiriri a kiama gia KANU but also the inner circle. Chris Omondi netuona the Youth Congress of the KANU party makiumiria haria na kuga ati yo whatever Gideon Moi our chairman you agreed with William Ruto, we are not part of that. Na hiyo ni mambo yako jameni guys. One of the parties with enye hainanga mashida mingi and the oldest party iko na vurugu mle ndani.
We, the KANU Youth Congress, fully dissociate from the newfound partnership between our national chairman, Honorable Gideon Kipsele Towet Moi, and His Excellency the President William Ruto. Our values as the youth and the party at large are founded on the promotion of accountability and transparency, respect for human rights, and the promotion of the rule of law. These values continue to guide our participation in leadership and governance of this country. Our stand, therefore, remains that the government should work to serve the interests of the people, and no partnership or coalition government whatsoever can save a regime that goes against the constitutional lines of governance and protection of the rule of law.
It is worth noting that our values and ideologies do not intertwine with the consistent abductions and subsequent killings
Maundu maria dona ukiangalia video unaona a majority of those people are Gen Zs. If not Gen Zs ni millennial wale wa latest. Kini Gen Zs wengi hapo hivyo. And one thing with Gen Zs is that they don't care. Hawajali. What are Gen Zs? And they don't care about anything. How bora they were not included. Bora they don't know the pact. Bora they don't know the agreement. Wamesema yo, we are not part of this. And we have dissociated ourselves with that agreement. Chris kiama gia KANU ni one of the party area ni very fragile, very strong and very fragile at the same time. Kiama gia KANU being the oldest party ni ile chama tulikuwa wasikia babangu akiniambia ilikuwa chama ya baba na mama dogi ya gwatirio dogi. It was that KANU. Being the first party in the country, you can of course predict kiama kiu gitire na thina wa besha maundu tamacio tondu structures ciothe cia kiama cianjirie na kiama gia KANU. In fact, majority of the people in the top political arena right now majirie KANU, and so ukiweza angalia uone manze this vijanazo wameput aside all that na pia wameona we do away with that, ni kuonyesha there's a lot of things. My point was kiama kiu ni very fragile because kina past nyingi muno. Iko na a lot of past, and not only in Kenya but digweciria kwina kundu political history iriganagirwo. And of course agikorwo wi kiama na wina history njuru, people will never forget, they will only cover up with something good. Kwirikanaga ati ono gikorwo wi mundu moru atia Chris afu rucio weke giko kiega, as in you're as good as your last story. Ukiweza kuwa wewe ni mtu mbaya alafu ukuje ufanye kitu mzuri for 1 year na umekuwa mbaya 10 years, people will tend to forget those 10 years of bad things that you did na mafocus na this 1 year of goodness. But if this 1 year of goodness just has one last day of bad things, mekoririkana this 10 years of bad things. Now being a party that in a history nyingi and this Gen Z being that it's a very risky situation right now for the KANU party. Na tha ici matingi hota ku assume this youth congress niĩ ndĩ mũkenu nĩ ũndũ wa maũndũ marĩa marathiĩ na mbere tondũ mũrũrũngano wa mbere wa Gen Z kwerĩkanaga these people are leaderless, they are partyless, but thaa ici nĩ ũrona formations. The youths have joined parties, existing parties, and made them strong, and right now nĩ makinyĩte handũ nginya rĩu nĩ maroria yo na sisi kwa hii mgao wa nini na sisi tuko wapi? Long gone are the days iria tugaga ati siasa ati no nginya ukinye level fulani nigetha, you know, right now I mean, I am just happy. Niĩ ndĩ mũkenu nĩ ũndũ wa maũndũ marĩa marathiĩ na mbere siasa-inĩ. We just wait and see what is going to happen. Tondũ ũmũthĩ nĩ marekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩyo, tuone vile kutaenda kesho kutwa in the politics of the KANU party. Na thaa ici KANU party nĩ ĩgũkorwo ĩkanũ-inĩ ka Kenya na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno. Tondũ thaa ici nĩ gũkorwo na activities. Ndona gastori fulani kũrĩa Citizen wakisema the good things that are waiting Moi as he joins government. So with those good things iria Moi meranĩte na William Ruto and this youth congress, it is a good time ya gũkorwo tũkĩona kana youth arĩa me ciama-inĩ already existing no makorwo na say in the power table. Tondũ angĩkorwo youth congress ya KANU kama the top leadership watatoka hiyo youth congress, then nĩ kuonania these people they just mind about themselves. Nĩ kuonania ona kĩama kĩa DCP ũmũthĩ tũngĩona Rigathi Gachagua kũrĩa State House, thĩga ũrĩa manyitirwo kũrĩa bypass na ũrĩa anyitirwo kũrĩa Limuru toka onao nĩ mekũriganĩra. Ũrĩa ule Demule MCA nominated wa Kitui toka onake nĩ kũmenya rĩrĩa akona Kalonzo kũrĩa State House onake nĩ orĩra. I mean, it will be a good wake-up call for the youths of the country. Anyway guys, need you maoni manyu megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. It has been a good show of the day. Now if you have anything ĩrĩa ũngĩenda tũkorwo tũkĩarĩrĩria show-inĩ ĩno, just feel free ya gũkorwo ũkĩnyandĩkagĩra ndũmĩrĩri ĩno kanjĩra hiyo namba ndio inakwanga ya M-Pesa, ndio inakwanga ya bado mameso, ndio inakwanga ya everything. And if you text me there, if you call me there, you'll find me. Niĩ njĩtagwo Olije Kuremana wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. If you follow me there, I will be so glad and so happy. And being on Tuesday, tashemania rũciũ, same time, same place, different discussions.